Mastering Workshop Precision. Calibrating the Lathe. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines language learning with technical knowledge. Calibrating the lathe. Whether you're a language learner with an interest in engineering or someone curious about technical English, you're in the right place. Let's explore what it means to calibrate a lathe, why it's important, and how to explain this process in English. Before we get into calibration, let's understand what a lathe is. A lathe is a machine tool used to shape metal, wood, or other materials by rotating the piece against a cutting tool. It's fundamental in manufacturing and woodworking for creating precise and detailed parts. Calibration, on the other hand, involves adjusting and setting the machine to ensure it operates accurately and produces work of the desired quality. So, when we talk about calibrating the lathe, we're discussing the process of fine-tuning the machine's settings to achieve optimal performance and precision. Calibrating a lathe is crucial for several reasons. Accuracy, ensuring the dimensions of the produced parts are precise and according to specifications. Safety, proper calibration reduces the risk of accidents due to machine malfunction. Efficiency, a well-calibrated lathe operates more smoothly, saving time and reducing waste. Understanding these aspects helps highlight the importance of calibration in both technical and language learning contexts. Calibrating a lathe involves several steps, including 1. Checking the alignment of the lathe's components, such as the spindle and tailstock. 2. Adjusting the gibs to eliminate any play in the moving parts. 3. Setting the tool post to ensure that the cutting tools are at the correct angle and height. 4. Verifying the accuracy of the lathe scales and measurement indicators. Each of these steps requires careful attention to detail and an understanding of the lathe's mechanics. Explaining this process in English can be a great practice for technical vocabulary and instructional language. We hope this video has shed light on what it means to calibrate a lathe and why it's such an important process in machining. Whether you're interested in the technical side or looking to expand your English vocabulary, understanding these concepts is a valuable step forward. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more topics with you. Stay curious and keep learning.